For today's recipe, we're going to do grilled eggplant rings, Cantonese style. So there you have it, grilled eggplant centers, Cantonese style with oyster flavor sauce. Enjoy. For today's recipe, we're going to do grilled eggplant rings, Cantonese style. Okay, so just cut the eggplant into half-inch circles. Put the eggplants in the water for about 5 minutes so they don't discolor, so they don't turn yellow. So that's a teaspoon of salt in this bowl of water, cold water. For the filling, we have some Cantonese flavors here. We have the Chinese mushrooms, we have wood ear mushrooms, we have some pork, we have carrots, we have Chinese radish. This is a preserved daikon radish. So you can use whatever vegetables and meat you like. So there's about 8 ounces of, maybe 10 ounces of meat here, pork. And then chop the ingredients. This is actually stir-fried and then thickened with 1 teaspoon of cornstarch in a third cup of water. So it's actually part of a bigger batch for dumplings. This was supposed to be for dumplings. So I got some extra filling here. You don't actually need to cook the filling if you don't want. So this one is already cooked, but you don't have to cook it because you're going to grill the filling anyway. So we're just going to put a tablespoon of flour in there. I got a big heaping tablespoon. Let's put the whole thing in. And then flour acts as a binder. So I'm going to put 2 eggs in there. So just going to mix the ingredients using chopsticks. So this filling is actually for dumpling filling or wonton filling. So if you check some of our videos for wonton or dumplings, you'll find different recipes for filling. So you can use different recipes. So just take your spoon and cut the eggplant. Cut out the middle. So this is where the filling is going to go. So that's pretty good. So I just want to cut like this. So you don't really need to stir fry this, the center of the eggplant, because they cook pretty fast. The eggplant that I cut up, I'm going to mix it with the ingredients that I stir fried. I put 3 or 4 tablespoons of cooking oil here, maybe a little bit more. So I just put in, so this pan had been preheating at medium heat. I put in 3 or 4 tablespoons of peanut oil, or you can use any kind of cooking oil. So it takes about 2 tablespoons per ring. So about 2 to 2.5 minutes on each side. Since the filling is already cooked, it's probably don't need to cook as much. So these soak up oil, so just make sure you just put extra oil there if you need to. I use peanut oil, so it's for me it's the best cooking oil. So you're gonna flip it. Oh, nice. So this one, ooh, well done, well done. I mean, not cooking well, but it's actually well done. Okay, not bragging, just say well done in terms of how it looks, in terms of how it's cooked. There you have it, grilled eggplant ring, Cantonese style. Enjoy. Just look at this, look at this. Ooh. This one just came off the pan here. That's good. Very hot. So I have the centers left over. So I'm going to grill these as well because I had these left over, so I couldn't put it in the filling. So I'm going to grill these and put some oyster sauce on it. I was doing the taste test for the rings, so I forgot to turn these centers, but they're okay, a little bit well done, but that's fine. So put a little oil there just to finish cooking it. So they're fine. They're just a little on the well done side, slightly. So what I'm going to do is actually put a little bit of this chopped ginger and garlic. That's one of my favorite. They're called aromatics. So just put a little bit of that in there. So just cook these for about 2.5 minutes on each side. Then put 2 stalks of chopped green onions in, just for color. Also has nice taste. I'm going to put a half teaspoon of sesame oil. And then just a splash of this light soy sauce. So we're just going to take this off right now. So you can serve this as an appetizer too if you like. Or as a side dish. So last step, just going to put some of my favorite sauce, the oyster flavor sauce. So just drizzle that over the, just drizzle that. So there you have it, grilled eggplant centers, Cantonese style with oyster flavor sauce. Enjoy. That's really good. You gotta try this. Now you can order the products and ingredients that I use in my cooking videos. Just click the link below in the description for the Chinese cooking accessory guide. You can order everything online, including the wok that I use and some of the equipment that I use. Thanks for checking out my video. Please like and subscribe. Any comments are always welcome. Take care and stay safe.